Today I'm going to be reviewing, demoing, and trying out for the very first time the brand new product by Kitsch, the PonyFull. The PonyFull claims that it is great for fine and thin hair like mine, that it adds a volume and lift, and that it is easy to use and comfortable. I don't know if I believe it, but we are going to try it today for the very first time, and I'm gonna let you know. What's up, friend? My name is Gabby, and this is Glam Girl Gabby. This is your place to come and learn all about beauty and fashion for the modern woman. If that sounds good to you and you want to join the conversation, then hit that subscribe button below, and I will see you every single week. First of all, let's talk about what we get in our little kit. So I finally ordered and got this in the mail a couple of days ago. There's a bit of a glare from the light, but what you get is your little bobbly thing that goes into your ponytail, and you get a few different elastics. These are not typically elastics that I would ever use to do a ponytail. I like a thicker, more robust elastic. This seems like a really skinny elastic, but I think it needs to be this kind of clear elastic so that it has some stretch factor so you can insert this thing into it. We're gonna give it a whirl, see what we think, and I'm just hoping that we're as mind blown about this as we were about the Pony O, because I still wear my Pony O all the time. So if this is a contender for the Pony O, that will be pretty cool, because it will just be another way that we can get our hair to look really full and bouncy and beautiful. Let's try two different looks. Let's try a half up look and a full ponytail look. Just for a basis of comparison, this is what my hair looks like without the PonyFull. Okay, so I got it in, and this is what it looks like. So there's definitely a significant difference. The only thing that I'm a little bit worried about is that my hair is gonna part and you're gonna see it, because I can feel it right now, even just normally, that my hair is kind of peeking through. You know, it's showing this part. I'm not gonna say that I'm hating it, because I'm not. I think that we could improve on this by just adding more hair. So when taking my half up I could just add just a little bit more hair in the actual ponytail to hide the PonyFull. Okay, so I grabbed a bunch more hair. I'm gonna do it one time, maybe one more. Let's try one more, so that's twice. I'm gonna split my ponytail in half. I'm gonna put that end in there. Oh yeah, there we go. That feels really secure. And we get a much bouncier, fuller looking ponytail. So I gotta say, I'm pretty impressed. I think it looks really good. And now I'm not afraid of it showing. So that's a little trick. If you're gonna wear your hair in a half up, make sure that you are wearing a little bit more up than not, just so that you have enough hair to cover it, because this thing is pretty big, and even though it's creating actually a lot of volume, you do need hair to cover it naturally, right? But in terms of comfort, I actually feel like it feels really, really comfortable. I'm surprised. I kind of went into this thinking that I wouldn't necessarily love it, but I'm actually feeling really good about it, and I think that it looks great. I think it looks adorable like this. So let's try a ponytail full up, all the way up, with this product and see what we think. And I'll show you what my ponytail looks without it first. Okay, and now let's try our PonyFull. So again, we are going to split our hair into two. We are going to grab that pointy end, stick it right into the elastic, lock it into place, and then drag that out. Oh my God, what do you think? I am really kind of stoked. I don't go into reviews like wanting them to be negative, but you know, I'm very honest, and I really thought this was kind of gimmicky, and I'm absolutely shocked. I find that it actually looks amazing, and surprisingly, it is actually quite comfortable. It feels like a little bit tight because you do have like a bobble on your head, but it's not nearly as uncomfortable as I thought it would be. It really makes me wonder what it would be like comparing this to the Pony O, which is another ponytail product that I love. If you guys want to see the Pony O video, check out that video next. But if you're curious as to how this compares to the Pony O, I will make a video side by side comparing the two products to see see which one is a little bit more bang for your buck, or which one does more of a result, and we'll really be able to see them paired side to side. If you're interested in that video, leave a comment in the comment section. I'll definitely make it for you. Overall, I've got to say that I'm super happy. I think that this is a great product. I think that it's really, really cute. I think it's worth the money, and it does create a nice full ponytail. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to see more hair reviews or hair tutorials, then click on these videos next. As always, I love you. I'll see you next week.